We're here at Cadbury's World and we're going to show you what's inside the Cadbury shop. We're in the shop, eh?
Yay.
The Cadbury shop, the biggest Cadbury shop in the world. Yeah, and we're starting at the back of the reduced section, aren't we?
We are.
A gorilla cat. Oh, that's good, doesn't it?
Oh, you get a little tiny... Oh, that one's stuck. You get a little gorilla with a chocolate bar.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
That's cute.
There's various gift sets here, to be honest, that you can get. They're pretty cool.
Funny.
Oh, wow, look at that.
They're really cute.
Very good. And then there's a lion or something on that, right? Oh, a bear. Ooh.
Giant one.
I know, they are nice, they are, aren't they?
2 dairy milk, 850 grams, only £14.
£14. I don't know if that's cheap, guys. I
That's
imagine it
pretty good,
is because it's on the reduced bit. Milk tray, that's not bad. 2 for £9.
They're the double ones. They are, yeah, that's not too bad.
Oh, what have we got here? We like Freddos, don't we?
10 for 170.
10 for
Same
170.
with fudges as well.
17p. Almost back to the old days there, isn't it?
And then 10 for £6.
Oh, that's not bad, is it?
No.
Is it? 10 for £6?
I'm sure they did packs of 5 for £2.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Unless it means 10 of them bags.
No, it wouldn't mean that. It makes them 70p each.
Not too sure there, guys. We can get a drinking chocolate as well.
Nice.
It's pretty good. We like this little bit, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
What have we got here, Ev?
These are the lollies that we saw being made.
Yeah, so check out the main vlog for if you want to see them being made, guys. But we saw the worker making them, didn't
Yeah,
we?
we did.
And she showed them. They were really good, weren't they?
And then the shoe, we saw them in there too, didn't we?
£13 for them. That's not too bad, is it? And we saw this football being made there. We'll show you that in a sec, guys. But
These
what's
are the
that?
chocolate pots that they've been making
Oh,
today.
wow. They have been making them today, haven't they?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, it's really good. £16 for them. That's not too bad, is it? And 25 for that football, Ev. Look at
That
that.
looks pretty cool to be fair.
That's not bad. Oh, that's just some recipe information things. That's pretty good, isn't it? It's really good. I like this shop.
Me too.
What have we got here, Ev?
We've got a child's t-shirt for £11.
I quite like this. Oh, an adult chocolate quest. We've done that. We quite like it, don't we? We did. We enjoyed that. Let's see, Tal.
£6.50.
Oh, very nice, Ev. Very nice. Suits you, that does.
Thanks.
I quite like that hoodie, actually.
Yeah, me too. And £29 for a hoodie for an adult one and £22 for a child. That's really
It's
good.
not too bad, actually, is it, to be honest? Really quite good. Oh, flakes round here, Ev. Loads of it.
Boxes of flakes. And then they're full-size flakes.
I haven't seen a full-size flake in years, to be honest.
Yeah.
Oh, what have we got here, Ev? Oh, sorry.
Pocket money gifts.
Pocket money gifts. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
There's a bottle opener.
That's pretty good.
Cadbury World. It's a
Oh,
world. And then you can get a little
wristband.
Patches.
Patches. That's pretty good, actually.
Cool. You can get a... Oh, I like that.
That's nice.
That's very heavy. And what's this? A magnet?
Oh, wonder if they got any. Don't know if they got any pins, guys. Maybe they'll introduce them soon enough.
Maybe.
The mailing does do a lot of pins, so maybe. That's just usual little bits there. Pocket money gifts, we call them, don't we? Pretty good.
Indeed.
Very nice. Factory shop entrance there.
This is where we'll probably end up spending our money.
Yeah, I know, but it pops some Toblerone over there. Oh, what have we got here? 190. You can just get boxes of them, can't you? Look at them. Little bars. Milk trays again. Have you got there?
Chocolate share bags for £3.30, so it makes it £1.10 each. That's really good because you can't.
They're
get them
about
the rest of them.
£1.65 in Asda at the moment because we like them. That's the only reason. Not so much the fudge ones. We like twirl, don't we?
Yeah.
But they're about the same price.
Sour patches.
I don't know. Cadbury's made them.
No, mate.
No. This is what we're interested in. The Freddos, the caramel Freddos, fudgies, jelly babies down there. Oh, this is what we're after, Ev.
£9.
60 of them. £9. Is that good? 25p each?
No, that's RSP is 25p each. So it makes them cheaper than 25p each.
Ooh.
You get 10 for 170. So I don't know how much it works out each, but it's cheaper than 25p anyway.
Yeah, and I've just seen that there. You get a free gift if you spend £30 or more.
I bet you it's a bag.
Yeah, we got a bag last time. We spent £30 or more, didn't we? We did. We can get all these little boxes, which are pretty cool, aren't they, to be honest? Oh, curly whirlies.
And normal Freddos.
Normal Freddos over there. Some of the prices there, guys, so you can have a look. They're all good though, aren't they? How you can get there.
Yeah, it is.
There's not many places you can get just boxes of curly whirlies, is there, like that? Not unless you go like Costco or something, I'm not too sure. Fudgies there. Oh, we've got Toblerone here, Look at that. I don't know if that's that cheap actually.
Yeah, Tobermo's so expensive.
Yeah, it says we had one at Christmas, didn't we? Actually,
Yeah, we did.
It was an offer from Asda.
Oh, and you can get 8 of the big, massive bars for 56 quid.
Oh, saving 40 quid there.
That's a lot.
All right, yeah. So I get it. So the RF, that's how much it would be, the RSP,
Recommended sale price.
and
Yeah.
you're saving 40 quid.
Yeah.
So that's a lot of money, as you're saving, isn't it? To be
It is
fair.
a lot of money.
It says quite a lot. If I could eat that much chocolate, so to be fair, I don't know if I could spend 56 quid on just
probably
dairy
not,
milk.
but-
No. Give it a go.
Yeah.
Ooh, we got it here, Ev. Oh, that's pretty cool,
That's
isn't it?
really nice, isn't it?
Nice big pillow and a flake one.
£21.
21.
That was pretty good quality.
Yeah, it's pretty good, that does. Yeah, I like that. It's some of the bigger ones. See a staff member of... Oh, right, so it looks like mailing discount kind of works, according to that. Maybe
We'll
only on
find out.
certain things and maybe only 10% instead of 20?
Yeah,
Well,
maybe.
we'll ask the question in a minute.
We definitely will.
And we've got the sweets here. It's lemon shit, I haven't seen them. Not like proper ones.
So long.
No, they're all good, aren't they?
Bertie Bassett.
There's Bertie, who's there. And they want you to buy these big chocolates, don't they?
He's really cute.
15 for the gorilla there. Oh, we didn't see, is he gone? We didn't see him in there.
See him? I bet they've moved him to somewhere else.
Oh yeah, he could be. There is other sections around Cadbury's World on the outside, so perhaps he's out there.
Miss Bunny used to be sat over there.
Yeah, she did, didn't she? It has changed quite a lot.
has
We did
changed
say
quite a
the whole place does feel a lot fresher, doesn't it, to be honest, since Merlin had come in and changed things up. Right, there's a few bits over here, shall we have a look? It's a bear.
Oh, he's so cute.
Yeah.
And then there's the little beans.
Choco
here.
beans. The bunny.
Miss Bunny. Oh, and there's the guy bean.
The guy bean.
And
Freddo.
the Freddo frog. He looks different though, Freddo.
It does
frog
look a bit,
now.
doesn't it, to be fair.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure what this parrot thing is. Cadbury's Paris. Oh, we like them.
Waistcoat keyring.
Oh, there's a bigger one there as well.
Oh, and I really like him as well.
Oh, they're good, aren't they?
adorable.
Our little cat would like them. He only likes little cuddly toys, doesn't he?
does, doesn't
But
he?
he'd like that, wouldn't he? I didn't think I'm going to pay £7.50 for him, though, to be honest, do you?
No, definitely not.
Some of the new ride merch here, haven't we?
Yeah. Oh, that's a magnet.
Oh, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Little keyring.
I will say, this mug could be a little bit better, couldn't it? It's a bit... Oh, dear.
It's not been open very long, has it?
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. Perhaps you want a different one of them.
25.
Oh, that's... Oh,
a cream egg.
that looks massive on camera, that does. That's crazy. A cream egg. Oh, that's good.
I like that.
Well, there's your cow, Ev. You can get a notebook for the thing. That's pretty
Oh,
good.
that's nice, isn't it?
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. I'm guessing they'll give you a different cup, to be honest. I shouldn't they're just display ones, because that says display.
Yeah. The other ones are all clean.
Oh, perhaps if someone wanted a brew.
Maybe.
What's this, Ev?
There's a little bottle, I like that.
Quite like that. I mean, saw this cup last time, didn't we? I like that cup.
Yeah, I like the cup.
That's pretty cool.
I don't know how much the bottle is though.
Not too sure, to be honest. £7.50 for the cup there. £2.90 for that.
We've got little mugs there, they're nice. And there's a brown one.
Doesn't actually say how much them here
No, it doesn't.
metal cups are.
But they're very nice.
Yeah,
Oh, it's £7.50.
Well, I was just about to say about the £7.50 because the other ones seem to be, so that's a bit similar price things, isn't it? You want more Bourneville? Not really miss on a Bourneville, to be honest. Oh, that's very cool, isn't it?
So this is vegans, suitable for vegans.
And that's posh chocolate, isn't it? Didn't know
Yeah.
Cadbury's did that, to be honest. They mix it up with quite a lot, don't they?
Yeah, they do indeed.
And they got all the normal bars you could ask for there, haven't
10
they?
for £6, which isn't too bad. They're full size ones.
They're about a quid in the shop nowadays, if not like £1.50 or something, aren't they, to be honest? So that's not too bad at all.
And then we're back to this.
We're
bit.
back to here.
So
Wow.
I think we should go and buy our stuff now.
I think we should. We loaded up, Ev.
Yay.
What have we got?
120 Freddos
20 Freddos and a chocolate lolly.
and a chocolate lolly.
But we do know how the Merlin Pass works.
Yeah, we do.
And it's pretty much, I would say, the same as any Merlin shop or any Merlin theme park.
Yeah.
20% off. Freddo's just behind you, Gav. 20% off anything not on sale.
Yeah, so the boxes, obviously, because they're a really good deal, you don't get it off that. But we did get 20% off our lollies.
Yeah,
So
made it a little bit cheaper.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good actually. I'd say
me too.
same as at Towers, anything on sale you wouldn't get it on that. So
No, so it cost 20 quid for all this,
All
which I
that?
don't think's that bad.
yep, and that'll do us just on the drive home, I think. We've had a lovely walk around the shop, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, we've got our chocolates here. We're all prepared for our trip home. But yeah, if you've liked this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe, and see you soon.